it, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess. No more you.
Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm not actually cleaning my roommate's room. Well, he kind of is, but he's definitely my 8-year-old son. He only uses this room when it's time to watch TV or play, and I know this is like my 100th video on this room. And yeah, I guess I haven't been really telling him to clean up his room because I have been doing other projects and have been busy doing that, and also doing swim class and karate. So my excuse is we've been busy. If you love videos like this, don't forget to like, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. It is absolutely free to do so. So what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, let's get right into this video.
I go high, but you keep pulling me. I don't got time to be thinking about things we can't figure out. Maybe I'm better without you and your dirty mouth. I don't know how everything went south. We're just so different now. I wanna go high, just wanna go high, but you keep pulling me down. I don't love you like I used to, yeah. Don't know if I ever will. Falling asleep next to your body just doesn't feel the same. I've been so patient, but I'm losing my patience, trying to piece things together with you, yeah. I'm getting tired of us constantly fighting, hurting when we don't need to, yeah. I don't got time to be thinking about things we can't figure out. Maybe I'm better without you and your dirty mouth. I don't know how everything went south. We're just so different now. I wanna go high, just wanna go high, but you keep pulling me. I don't got time to be thinking about things we can't figure out. Maybe I'm better without you and your dirty mouth. I don't know.
So I did want to mention that this is a power hour. I literally completed this entire room. There was no organizing, but I did clean this room within an hour. I think it was about 57 minutes. I just had myself a nice cup of tea to drink, and the energy hit, and I just continued going. I didn't really think. I just wanted to pick everything up and put things away. On my next video, I will be doing the organizing and the rearranging and the deep cleaning in this video. So stay tuned for that video.
Things we can't figure out. Maybe I'm better without you and your dirty mouth. I don't know how everything went south. We're just so different now. I wanna go high, just wanna go high, but you keep pulling me down.
All my thoughts are running around inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this yet? I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I tried to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Start a life in the country, I could say yes to that. Whatever way you want me, I'll learn it all and I'll adapt. Even if I changed up
And I know you're probably wondering, you had time to do the room, why didn't you ask your son to come on and clean? I did ask him. I asked him several times and we got into a fight about it, and I really didn't want to be negative or have any negative vibes during this video and also during this cleaning, because I am just trying to get my house into tip-top shape for the holidays, because I am having family over and I really just want everything to be nice and organized and clean and fresh for them, because you also know when family comes over it gets messy again, so I don't want it to be 10 times messier. So it being messy after a deep clean is okay with me, because I'll be able to put things back and get things organized rather quickly. But if you guys do want to see Thanksgiving and holiday videos, let me know. Leave a like on this video.
Cause I'll still be the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, cause I'll still be the same. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but some things stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but some things stayed the same.
You've been looking for someone who brings you breakfast in bed and doesn't mess with your head. No, but you don't answer to no one. Yeah, cause you got way too many scars from people tearing you apart. No, you think I let you down, break your heart and play around, but that's not me. No, I will love you right back, and come and hold you whenever you're sad. Yeah, I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back.
If you stayed this long, hundreds and hundreds of thank yous. Thank you so very much for supporting my videos and my channel. I am grateful and thankful for you guys. And I will see you on my next one. Bye.
But I know that these days it ain't always easy to get what you're looking for. Yeah, you think I let you down, break your heart and play around, but that's not me. No, I will love you right back, and come and hold you whenever you're sad. Yeah, I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back.